Excuse my appearance, I'm having a rough one. But my friend convinced me to get the Pusheen box, and it's the Halloween box. So let's open it together. I have not. Da, 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 da. Okay, so I know what this is. This is the cape. This is so cute. Okay, let's continue. I'm not looking at the back, but it tells me everything that's in the box. I'm excited. Okay. Next, it's a treat tote. This is cute, cute, cute. Okay. Next, I have a little Pusheen bookmark. Planner stickers. I love stickers, and they're so cute. Look. Okay. There's a little Pusheen journal. I love that. Okay, and for the last couple things, it's a trinket tray. Oh, she hard. I could use one of these. Next is a vampire goblet. I've got to open this. I gotta see what it is. Hand wash only. Do not microwave. Well, yeah. Oh, firehouse. Oh. Oh, juicy.
Yeah.
And last, but certainly not least, is the vampire vinyl figure. You know what? I am opening it, and it's taken a lot to me to get to that point where I open my sleeve. Oh, someone already opened it, and a big old greasy ass thumbprint on it. He a little musty. Cute though. It's very cute. This is definitely the highlight to this week. It's been a rough week, but honestly, this made it better. Am I still subscribing monthly? No. And this is a one-time only box for me. I might do the next year's Halloween box, but it was awesome wet while it lasted. I'm so excited. See you later.